Hello, how do I handle taxes if I trade part-time? You will estimate your taxes on your swing trade profits. Know the due date of those estimated tax payment and pay them. So for the quarter that you are going to pay for, you determine how much you make profit-wise and look for IRS tax rate on your income bracket. Find that your income on your tax return, your gross income on your tax return, and find the income tax bracket and the tax rates related to it. You do the search for your state as well. If you pay income, your state collect income tax, and find the rates applied to your income tax brackets and know the due date and pay those estimated tax during the year. If you are swing trading in a taxable brokerage account, if you are doing it in a Roth IRA, you don't have to worry about any of those. Or you can update your W-4 with your employer. That is a form you update with your employer to help them determine how much tax to withhold from your paycheck. You can update it and put a certain dollar amount on it for them to withhold every month in addition to what they withhold as well. That way you can pay more taxes through your job and don't have to worry about estimated tax. Otherwise, every quarter you calculate your profit on your swing trade for that quarter, including dividend you earned on those stocks as well, and calculate the estimated tax for IRS and send it to them, and for your state and send it to them as well. So even if you are like part-time is more like investment type thing, so we are now trading as a professional. We are trading as on the side, to create another stream of income, but it's not a business for us. So therefore, at least that is the way I do it. Today we are going to analyze FISV as of August 26, 2026. It used to be FI, and last year or so, and I think last year or so, it became FISV. So we purchased it when it was FI and it became FISV. But yeah, when we are looking at it, this is the support line we trace, and right now is below it, and we don't really know what is going on with it because I don't like to read about companies. I just try to analyze them through their chart. So by looking at the chart, is quite below. We are going to go to maximum monthly chart to look at it. You can see the drop there, but when it was FI, I think I purchased it higher up and it kept falling all the way down, and maybe when it was FISV, I purchased it around that support line. But we are going to continue observing it to see what it's doing. But yeah, do you know anything about this company? I've been swing trading it since 2024, 2025, and I still don't know anything about it. Just to show you to do that. Well, there are different ways to trade or to buy and sell stocks. If you like to know more about the stocks you have in your portfolio, you have that option as well. If you want to understand them through the chart only, you have that option. And chart have indicators and things like that to analyze them. I just prefer to do it a simpler way, and I make profit doing that, but that is a personal choice. So there is so many ways you can invest, trade stocks. You just have to find yours and just start small and keep improving. So thank you so much for watching. We thank you very much for your time. Thank you for all your comments, and we thank you very much for subscribing to our channel. I'm FISV, and on our channel we share different ways to save money and different ways to make money to reach your financial independence. And swing trading could allow you to create another stream of income. Just start small, and slowly but surely you'll get there. As a disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional trader. I just swing trade in my husband and I joint account, and I like to share what I'm learning with you so that if you find some tips useful, you can customize them to fit your personality type, your risk tolerance, and implement them in your own financial success journey. Will you please proceed with caution? For more videos in this series, we have over 200 videos in this series. Will you please check the playlist how to start swing trading step by step using long uptrend lines in the description of this video. And this video is brought to you by our online store Liberman.com. If you are looking for tote bags or cloth napkins, will you please check our online store Liberman.com. Thank you so much for your time. Happy swing trading.